Step 1. Hop off the steroids. Just kidding. The actual step 1 is that you don't know how to shower. Don't click off, listen up. You have back acne, you don't know how to shower. Showering like a normal person won't cut it anymore. You're not a kid or a guy with an office job sitting down all day. You are a stinky, disgusting animal that loves lifting heavy shit for enjoyment. You probably heard about training hard, recovering harder. So right now I'm going to teach how to sweat hard and shower harder. So here is my ultimate 6-step shower protocol. And it takes around 10 to 15 minutes to actually do it. And I do it after training. Step number 1. Rinse yourself with warm water. Don't forget to wash your balls. That's going to be important in step 2. Step 2, crank the water up to make it hot. To not make it like, yeah, you are not stupid, don't make it boiling, but you know what I mean. Shower, and don't shower your balls, because that actually decreases your testosterone and kills your sperm. You need to have your balls cool. So only shower it with warm water. And then grab this. You need to buy it. This is the only thing you need. This one has like organic bristles and it's made out of bamboo. This is one that I bought for $7. It was super cheap. And you scrub yourself with this. This is a really important step. Do this. This is like actionable right now. I'm like didn't train before this, but if you have like small nails, go to your mid back and scrape it until like your traps. And if you do like this, there will be a small amount of gunk on your hands. Literally. You'll feel disgusted. I don't have this right now because I woke up like an hour ago. So I basically didn't even sweat today. But you probably have some dark paste on your back. So you grab the brush, and if you have like back acne, scrape the shit out of it, like do this. I'm like teaching you how to shower. Really scrub your back hard. And also the rest of your body. Now you will soap yourself up. Don't use like shampoo, like stuff that you squeeze. Use soap. Soap is for men. Those little shower gels are for women and pussies. If you're a real man, use a soap. Soap is much better and is way more cost efficient. Literally, I buy a soap once in half a year for like $5. I buy the organic soap. So be a man and buy a bar of soap. Then what I recommend is rubbing the bar of soap on here and scrubbing your back that way. And then you continue brushing yourself again until the soap foams up. Then you put warm or hot water and then you wash yourself off completely. That's the shower protocol you need to do from now on. Sweat hard, but shower harder. Number 2, your diet. If you have acne, or back acne most importantly, you probably have kinda of a shit diet. This wasn't my problem, but it might be yours. You can't expect to eat shit, eat junk food and these types of things, and to have perfect skin. It just doesn't work like that. For some people it actually does, but for you it doesn't benefit you. And the most optimal diet that I suggested to one of my friends that also had acne also on his chest and stuff like that, for him to do a strict keto or carnivore diet. Keto diet is that you don't really eat carbohydrates. And carnivore is that you just eat meat. But what I recommend is like a combination of these two is a animal-based diet. So essentially eat anything that comes from an animal. And those are quite a lot of things. Like my diet is 90% animal-based. Step 3, sunlight and vitamin D. This made the biggest difference for me. When spring came and throughout summer and also autumn, I sun my back a lot and my entire body. I sunbathe outside in the sun at least like 2 times a week for half an hour. I also sun my whole body, including my balls, because that's good for your health and testosterone and your general vitamin D levels. I did a blood test and my vitamin D levels were extremely high because I sunned my balls the day before that. And I didn't take any vitamin D for like 5 months prior to that test. And single-handedly, getting sunlight, straight sunlight on my back, and also throughout winter combining it with vitamin D is the biggest thing that helped me reduce my back acne. Because I tried absolutely everything. In this video, I'm only telling you the things that actually work, but I tried literally everything to make my back look normal. Because I started getting accused of taking steroids. Not because of my crazy results, but because of my back acne. And it was mostly by uneducated people in YouTube comments. Like, I remember one comment, it's burned into my memory. Like, let's see how much you will lift off of the gears. The gears! Gears with an S! When I read that with my own eyes, like 10 neurons from my brain just committed suicide. And I ain't getting them back. So I need to do something with my back. Step 4. It is not wearing endocrine disrupting or estrogenic clothing. Every single form of plastic clothing like polyester, mainly polyester, but all of the other ones are endocrine disrupting. It is that when you sweat, even when you don't sweat, these microplastics and estrogenics, they are called, because they literally behave in your body like estrogen and lower your testosterone, seep into your skin, and because they are endocrine disrupting, they can cause allergic reactions inside of your skin, and that creates the acne. That was used to happening because I started benching, not even like a polyester or BPA bench lining, it was some else type of plastic that was even more harmful to my skin, and it absolutely destroyed my back. Because I was benching on it with just my bare back. I didn't wear t-shirts throughout training. I don't do that. But now I use towels. But the damage was done. So the only good fabrics to wear is wool or cotton. Woolen clothing is super expensive. It costs like $50 per t-shirt. I have like just 2 of them. But most of the t-shirts that I wear are 100% cotton. I removed all of my polyester or any other plastic type of clothing like 2 years ago because it decreases your testosterone when you wear it on your skin and even when you sweat in it. Also make sure to have cotton or woolen underwear because the balls are the most sensitive part to this. Yeah, I know that these elastic shirts or whatever is popular right now, I don't know how it's called, like Gymshark brands do this stuff. And yeah, it looks aesthetic, but it decreases your testosterone, ruins your skin health, and makes you generally unhealthy because when you sweat in that t-shirt, it makes your skin more prone for these microplastics and nanoplastics to enter and have endocrine disrupting effects. Because your pores in the skin literally open to sweat, but microplastics get in there. So please, for the love of God, don't wear these elastic tight t-shirts. It ain't worth it, bro. Number 5, skincare. I probably tried all of the creams, all of the anti-acne stuff that you could probably think of on my face. Like I have still some acne like over here and also some over here, like some leftovers. Like there are still like purple dots, but those are just some leftovers. I think I have like 3 of them here and like 1 here, but it's more than 100 times better than it was like 6 months ago. And the only thing that worked was, and now I hit you with like a sponsorship product, like, oh, this is the best cream to resolve back acne. Just that like cringe stuff like this. Like I don't accept sponsorships. The only way how I make money is from my own educational platform called Calisthenics School, where I have mostly courses about calisthenics and street lifting, but I also have the full-length end-to-end testosterone course that you might find useful, and also the workout split design course and like workout periodization course, which are courses on how to design your own workout split that works the best for you. Because I've been training calisthenics and street lifting for more than 5 years now, and I've been training the bench press and also like powerlifting in general for the past 10 months. And I bench 115 kilograms, I squat 150, yeah, the ratio is kind of fucked. And I deadlift above 165. But I mainly focus on the bench, and that allowed me to become the national bench press champion. So the only thing that works is this. It isn't the exact bottle, but it is 99% isopropyl alcohol. This is the only thing that works for your acne. Like you open it, like you grab some, I just grab on my finger, and you just rub it on the acne. And all it does is that it kills all of the outside bacteria. It removes all of the dust, all of the gunk that can be on your skin, so your acne doesn't get worse. And it also makes it like shrivel up, literally, like close all of the pores. And also your acne can sometimes get like infected, and this prevents that. And if you like squeeze out the pimple, you grab the isopropyl alcohol, you rub it on there, and you kill all of the germs that might get into there and cause an infection. So make sure to buy some of this 99% isopropyl alcohol. It is going to be the best investment for your back acne you can do. So this was the full-length guide on how to get rid of acne and mainly back acne as fast as possible. If you want more educational videos about calisthenics, street lifting, that's what I do, and fitness in general, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, take care bro, you got this.